Okay, rational inequalities. A little bit harder than polynomial inequalities. Okay, so here's a rational inequality. Okay, now then, how to solve it? We look for all values of x for which the function, this, is not defined or is 0. Now when we say not defined, of course we mean denominator equal to 0. Okay, so straight away, denominator equal to 0. This will give us the number that's not defined. And you see that's going to be -6. So I'm going to put that on my number line. Okay, there we go. Now when we're solving things equal to 0, it is 0. Okay, remember we only need to do the numerator equal to 0. So this becomes very much like the rational graphing we did previously, where x-intercepts, I just put the numerator equal to 0, and vertical asymptotes, I just put the denominator equal to 0. So it's this kind of thing. So here we go. This is the number that is not defined. And if we solve the numerator equal to 0, it'll give us for what it is 0. And that is just, look, if 3x equals 0, x equals 0. Okay? So again, I've got these two numbers on a number line. Right, I just have to solve for this. Now I'm going to kind of just move over to the next slide. So here it is. Now, they've done it actually, I think, a bit more work. I mean, they've solved it equal to 0, putting everything equal to 0. Okay? So they've multiplied by x plus 6, but there's no point to this because that's still 0 on the other side. Look, that's what I did. So really the shortcut is just put the numerator equal to 0. That'll give you one answer. Put the denominator equal to 0. That'll give you the other answer. Okay? Right, so here it is, -6 and 0 on the number line. I'm going to cheat. Let's see what they've picked. Okay, so maybe -7, -8. Let's pick a number. They've picked -8. Okay, they've picked -8. And when they put it into the equation, okay, back into here, okay, looks like they get 12. Now the whole point about this is we're looking for something that's less than 0. 12 is positive, okay? So that area will not work, okay? Right, anything between -6 and 0, they've chosen -2. Let's stick with it. If I put -2 into here, I'll get a negative answer. Now again, we're looking for things that are less than 0, so that's good. Finally, this area here, 1, 2, they've chosen 3. Okay, it comes out to be positive. So again, I'm looking for things that are less than 0. That's no good. So in between here and here, -6 to positive 0 is my answer. Okay, let's have a quick look at this. There it is. There's the graph. Okay.